Lahat ng mga ano.
Okay, cool.
Hello guys, so today we are challenging out my friend. I mean sister.
I'm friend.
Into a 1v1 on a puzzle game. This is our old toys, okay? This is our old toys.
Old! They can literally.
There they go.
What do you mean old? They just bought this early.
No.
Bruh, you're dumb.
Nakatikim ka na ng beanie beans?
I mean,
It's a bean that you can eat.
no. Oh yeah. With the gummy one.
No. It's a real bean. It's a real bean.
Yeah.
A real bean.
Yeah.
Like a bean for a tree.
Yeah.
So you eat a bean. Sarap ba yung bean?
No.
How do you know?
Because I already ate it.
You already ate a bean? How did you eat a bean? 10 rounds. Kuha ko dyan ng 10 na cards.
What do you mean? Okay, 10. Wow.
Hello.
Eh, pababa mo. Yan. Okay. You pick the another one.
Ito natin. Bakit dito itong tayo? Harap natin.
Wag mo yan eh.
Five more. Ano na? Let me pick a 2 card. You pick a 2 card. You pick a 2 card.
You can pick under here.
One. Kuha ka 1. Ano lang?
Oh, I know it's already 5, no? 3. Okay. 3. Pick a color. I literally love this. You put
This is the can.
I know.
And this is the stuff.
Put it back there.
Shut up.
I don't shut up. I grow up. And when I look at you, I grow up. No! Bro! Literally! Put it here. I hate you guys. No, that's literally mine. Okay, we open first. What we open first? Pick one. Pick anything. Okay. Done. Okay, we won first round. We gonna put it here.
No. We need like this, like the doctors have.
I don't need it.
I don't want it.
We gonna
Next one.
No. Get that.
Shut up.
Give me it. No, we're not gonna put it there. There's literally nothing. Okay.
Hindi sa akin cursive ha.
This is my turn. Okay, so I won the first round. And you won.
And now I'm gonna open this.
Okay. Wait lang. Ano mo yan? Okay, go. This is where I got loose earlier, right?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
I don't know what.
Look! Wait lang naman. Ipakita natin sa kanila yung ano. Card. This is the card. Eh, huwag mo na ipakita yun. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pero saan yung isa?
Yun.
I got a clean view.
Done.
I don't know.
Okay.
Now let me open it.
Who won late? Huwag mo na kasi.
Ikaw na una. Ikaw na una. Kanina.
You got 2 wins. Wait, one more. Yeah, you need to do that. No cheating here.
I already got the first one.
I already got it. Done.
I'm going to.
Okay, okay.
Maglagay nga tayo ng flashlight. May flashlight siya, di ba?
Oh, mamaya na.
Ayan
Mamaya na. Bawal yan. Bilis na kasi. Okay. Look at the scoring. Literally. Okay, here's the ugly card.
You gotta do it like this.
But I'm already done.
I'm done. I'm first.
Okay,
I'm first. I'm first. I'm first. Ano?
Okay.
You did not win.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna.
pick next. Oh. Mamaya ako maghanap. Go. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm done.
Okay, you win. I cannot do it. Hindi ko kasi kaya.
I know what's the trick. You already got it. You already done it. Oh, how to do this?
What you done earlier? Look, I'm already done.
I was just gonna. No, I was just gonna.
I win. Shut up, I win. I win. I'm the first one. I already got the one.
3 more. No, I pick. Ton, 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 ton. Ton, 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 ton. Okay.
I already got first.
I'm literally done.
It's you, man. What scores?
Last 2. Okay. I'm literally done with this. Done.
I don't know how to do it. Ito.
No, not. You're not doing it. Next card.
Look. Oh, di ba? I already done it. Oh, nakuha ko na din.
No, you just did. Daya mo.
Oh, diba?
Nicole.
Oh, the score on me again.
Madayo ako.
Oh, the score to me.
Wala, mabogol.
Oh, the score.
Daya mo.
Okay, now I'm gonna open this.
Done.
Hi.
Yeah,
How
we
about one
share.
more one? How about one more
We
one?
share. No.
One more
No,
one.
we share. We share.
One more.
Okay.
One more one.
That is literally not moving. Done. Okay, tayo. We gotta...
Wait. You add a score, and you add a score. So I only gotta finish this, so I can get the final score.
No, that's cheating.
So we eat. So guys, we're eating, okay? We're gonna do a mukbang. Mag-mukbang tayo. Guys, pag pwede pa akong maglalaro kami. Ganyan, kami nga tatlo. Kasi nga lang, magaling si Papa dito.
Oh, yeah?
Magaling si Papa dito.
Okay.
We're gonna eat. I-perfect ko yan natin. I-perfect, no? I-perfect squares ko yan natin. Perfect squares natin. Mga ganito.
No, that's wrong.
Hindi.
Put it back. See? I won and put it back.
Okay. Wait, what did it smell like? Huh? More. Oh, I think that before. Na natin yan.
Ano
Na
po?
natin to. It smells like cheese with corn.
Cheese? It's
With
like
the
sweet
cheese.
corn.
That's what it is. Sweet corn.
No, it's pombe.
I don't remember the taste.